Kia ora. Here in New Zealand, though we don't have Thanksgiving, we do have Black Friday. Fortunately, it's not as crazy as in the US. In this video, let's go through some vocabulary about this topic. First, shopping frenzy. Frenzy is when you're so excited that you can't control what you're doing. Shopping frenzy is when many people go shopping and pay lots of money to buy many things in a rather crazy way. Why does this happen? Because there are lots of sales on Black Friday, when stores offer good deals. A deal is a good lower than usual price. For example, I've got a good deal on my new phone. Stores put up these mega sale or massive discount signs to attract buyers. Both mega and massive mean very big, and discount means a reduction in price. So things can be 50, 60, or even 70% off. Off means less. Remember to read the signs carefully. The words up to can be quite small. Up to 50% off means not everything is 50% off. Some can be 10, 20, 30, or 40% off. There are also other phrases like limited stock and while stocks last. Limited means not much. Limited stock means not much left. While stocks last means the sale will finish when there are no stocks left. Another common phrase is for selected items only, meaning the sale is only for some things, not everything. Because of these good deals, things can get sold out fast. When a shop is sold out of something, there is no more of that thing left to buy. All these signs want you to buy things quickly, but be careful or you'll be ripped off, meaning paying too much money. Rip off is also a noun. For example, $500 for this dress? That's a complete rip-off. Some people splash out on Black Friday and end up flat broke. Splash out means to spend a lot of money on buying things that you do not need. They splashed out $10,000 on a TV. They're flat broke now, having no money left. Let's have a look back at all the words we've learned today. Shopping frenzy, a sale, a deal, a mega sale or a massive discount, how many percent off, up to how many percent, limited stocks, while stocks last, for selected items only, sold out, rip off, splash out, flat broke. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.